Hello everyone, I'm so much delighted to welcome you to this discussion this morning. I'm by the name Okelo Alan welcoming you. So I would like to take you through Excel and to this morning discussion we are going to look at Excel. Now if you want to do Excel, please come to start menu and then you go to app of Excel. It will show, so it is still loading. Let's first wait. So in Excel, there are those basics that you need to know. I have this one. This is called a worksheet or a spreadsheet. So it is a spreadsheet because it is where you work out all you details, calculations, and other things that you want. You can use this worksheet. Now, there are basic informations that you need to know on this. First of all, we have what we call a cell. A cell, a cell. Before a cell, we have rows and columns. So in rows we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down. So columns we have A, B, C, D, E, F going on. So in rows, there's what we call a cell. A cell A cell is like that one there. So the one with that bold, with this bold boundary here, is called a cell. So a cell is an intercept of a of row by column. So that intercept is called a cell. And within the cell, if you have to see here it is indicating that 2B. That means a cell, it is an intercept of column B and row 2. So it is in column B and row 2. So there are very many things that you need to know as far as that one is concerned. So members, there are things that you need to know here. That's what we call a formula. A formula. So here we shall meet with the time that all the formulas that we want, at times we can get it from there. So it is very important for you to know some of these formula, like average. You can get it, you can get the sum, there are very many things that you can get there. And then what I can not forget to tell you, this one, cell, being it bold in that cell and it is 2B, it is active. That cell is active. Why is it active? You can see that I can type anything of my choice. So I can type anything that we delete. So anything you can type is okay. It can be shown. Unlike here, if you have not even click there, if you have not clicked there, it cannot work. But if you click, so it become active, so you can now put in your data the way you want. And then the next thing that you need to know in that one, in that formula bar, there are two things. You can use your formula, the formula you want. Here you use the formula, there are formula that you want, and then there are functions that are being programmed within the system. So you can even use the functions that, as we can see earlier on, I told you that this formula this formula, it is within the PC. So there is that formula whereby it is already there in the PC, or there are those information that already in the PC, but there are those one you can't put on your own. So there are those one, they are called formula. So and then there is what we call functions. So that if you want to apply, you just apply it in just a short period of time. So I'm so much delighted to welcome you. I'm by the name of Keller Alan. I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and give comment where necessary. So I wish to meet you in the next discussion. Thank you.